Hey there friends, it's Elizabeth here from the Everyday Storyteller, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing my newest fountain pen. I got this fountain pen from Endless Pens. They were having a sale, and this particular pen has been on my wish list for a really long time, and I decided to go for it. So, my packing slip, definitely very secure in this little box. All right, so maybe you have already gathered what kind of pen this is from the ink converter. All right, so this is a Sailor Mini. This is the Pro Gear Slim Mini Rencontre, which is French, and it's in the Bordeaux Fonce, which is like deep wine or deep burgundy color, and it's really cute. Endless Pens was having a sale on Sailor fountain pens over Memorial Day. Wow, this thing is really tiny. Right, so it does come with, two cartridges. So that's kind of fun. So the cap does screw on, which I really like. And then the inside of the body also screws on. I have the Sailor Mini ink converter in here so that I can add my own ink. I have not decided which ink. We'll see. I kind of wanted to go with kind of a red color, but I don't have a lot of those that are not a shimmer ink. So I'm not sure if I'm actually going to put that in here. I want to give this pen the best first impression it can give, and I have not been having very good luck with shimmer inks for the last month or so, so I might just put a regular black ink in here to try it out, and then maybe find a red-ish raspberry color to order a sample of to put in this pen for realsies. But this is a medium fine nib, 14 karat gold, which I'm really excited for. I've heard great things about Sailor nibs, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted to try it. So overall, I'm really excited to use this pen. Let's test it out with some of my other minis. Obviously, it's going to be substantially smaller than a regular pen like this TWSBI Eco. It's probably about a good inch longer than the TWSBI Eco when it is capped. Let's see against my other mini. This is the Kaweco Alt Sport in ruby color. I would say that the Kaweco is just a teeny weeny little bit shorter than the Sailor Pro Gear when it is capped. Let's see what it looks like when they're posted. So I do feel like the Sailor Pro Gear Mini is definitely meant to be posted. I feel like it would be a little bit too small otherwise. Is this gonna sit? No, it's not gonna sit. I will make it sit. All right, so when it is lined up, the Sailor is actually just a tiny bit longer than the Kaweco. That's something I wasn't expecting. The cap must make it a teeny bit longer. So what else can I say about this pen? So obviously, I feel like this is a really good size. I feel like sometimes my Kaweco feels almost too small to write with. So the fact that this is a little bit longer will probably help me a bit. It's also extremely light, which is something that I'm probably only noticing because I have this Kaweco and it is kind of heavy. I mean, not like super heavy, but you feel it in your hand, right? Whereas this Sailor Pro Gear Slim, you don't really feel it in your hand as much. I still have not decided whether I prefer pens that are super light or if I prefer them a little bit more weight. My husband actually has the Kaweco brass fountain pen, which is extremely heavy, and he loves it, but I feel like it's a little bit tiring when you write for a long period of time. So I'm excited to try this Sailor Pro Gear Mini. Hopefully I love it because there are so many Sailor Pro Gears that I would like to try out. But this, I feel like, is a good first one. One of the many reasons why I decided to go with this particular Sailor fountain pen is because the name Rencontre. So on the website, Rencontre in French is said to mean going to like meet someone, which is true. That is technically what rencontre means, but my family has always used it, and I've always heard it used as another word for telling a story. So if you were going to kind of tell me a story or maybe of an adventure that you had, you would be using that word rencontre. So as you know, my brand name is the Everyday Storyteller, so I thought it was fitting that something that is kind of related to telling stories would be my first Sailor fountain pen. So that's kind of why I was drawn to this one. I did get it in the Bordeaux Fonce color, which is like a rich burgundy, which is good because that's what it means. I would definitely say it's a little bit more on the purplish side in real life than it is appearing on camera. On camera, I'm definitely seeing more red, but in real life, it's kind of more of a raspberry color, I would say, like a deep raspberry. So I have not decided, it does not want to stay. I have not decided what ink I want to put in this pen. I really wanted to kind of match it by using some type of red, but I'm not sure if I want to use shimmer in here because I want to have a good first experience with this pen. So I'm thinking maybe I will just go with a regular black or something boring like that, just to try it out and make sure that I give this pen the best first impression it could possibly give. If you have any suggestions for what ink to put in this pen, I would love to hear them. Thank you so much for joining me on this little unboxing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment if you so choose. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.